Hello everyone, my name is Pedro and today I'll show you how Pipefy can help you to improve your employee onboarding. We have worked with a variety of market-leading companies in their segments, and we raised the main difficulties faced in this process, such as the lack of standardization in the income of information, the management of deadlines from each of the new employees, and the lack of evenness in the onboarding process as a whole. With Pipefy, you'll be able to easily visualize the status of the onboarding from each of the employees, automate the reception and signature of documents, and also customize your process according to your company's needs. In this video, I'll show you the employee onboarding process that connects to the training and employee follow-up processes. To start the demo, let's create a new employee record. For that, we'll use the public form. We can access it by clicking on Share Form and copying in this link. Here we have to fill out the general information from the employee, as well as the info from the personal department. After filling everything out, the requesters can click here to create the request. They will also receive the link to the request record automatically via email. It is also possible to integrate Pipefy with HRM software, such as Bamboo HR. This way, every time that a new employee is registered, the onboarding process is automatically started. Every new employee record will enter the first step of the onboarding process, where an automated email is sent to the employee. Through this email, the employee will be able to remotely access the record and attach his or her documents directly to the card on Pipefy. After that, an analyst from the HR department will be automatically assigned according to the type of the contract, and he or she will be responsible for validating the employee's documentation. Using an OCR tool that was integrated with Pipefy, some info will be automatically inserted into this step. The analyst can also send the contract for signature using an external digital signature software, such as DocuSign, and automatically receive the signed document back on Pipefy. In case any info is missing, this record can be sent to the review step. But if everything is correct, the analyst can send it to the send equipment step, where the IT team will select and send the equipment. It's also possible to open a ticket directly on Zendesk, asking the responsible team to send the equipment to the employee. Here they will also be responsible for creating the employee's company email, which will be the main communication channel moving on. In the next step, the equipment database will be automatically updated, removing from the total amount of equipment that was sent to the employee and keeping the stock up to date on Pipefy. In the first week step, the responsible for the onboarding can now inform the arrival of the new employee to his or her manager, and also insert the onboarding schedule. The schedule will be also created on Google Calendar. And on top of that, the training process is also automatically started, and the employee will be able to access the training plan through Pipefy. Finally, when the onboarding deadline is reached, the record is moved to onboarding evaluation, finishing the employee onboarding process. When this process is completed, the employee follow-up process is started. In it, the employee's manager will be notified and he or she will have to evaluate the performance of the employee through the onboarding process. This interaction can also be done using Slack messages, where the manager can evaluate the employee. I hope you have enjoyed this demo. In case any questions arise or any modifications need to be made on this process, you can contact one of our consultants or use our chat.